Hi everyone. So in this tutorial, what we are going to see is how to load multiple files. So in the previous example, we have seen that I have loaded data from employees.csv into XX employees table in HR schema. So that was the one file, but in real scenarios, it goes like we have a directory and we have a lot of files coming in the directory, and at a set schedule, a program is running and absorbing the data out of those CSV files or text files and then putting it into the archive folder. So in this scenario, I'm going to show you the concept of loading data from the multiple files. So let me go to the mapping that we created previously, load employees. Okay. So let me go to the model here that I had created. There is the file model. So now you see here the tag resource name. So this is here I have mentioned the file name here. So if I go to the folder, I can see there are other files as well. So when I select employees underscore one.csv, it will load data from the employees underscore one.csv file. So we see here, we need to put a value here, which is dynamic, which keeps on changing. So what we are going to do, we are going to use a variable here. So here, let me create a new variable, name it v underscore emp file name. If you name it, let me save it. Default value I can give as employee.csv. Okay. So now here I can change the file name with the variable. So variable name goes like hash under file load. It should go in caps dot v underscore emp file. Let me save it. You can even confirm it. You can go to the expression editor. I can ref the project variables, and here it is. If I double click it, I get the variable name. Right. So I can even compare it like this. Okay, that's fine, except I had a typo. Okay, so I have saved the variable name. So now let me go to the mapping. So for this, I have to create a package. So let us create a package. So let me say it load employees pkg. So here, what I'm going to do, I'm going to reset the variable. So let me drag and drop the variable here. And let me set the name as employee.csv. Confirm. Employees.csv. Okay. Employees.csv. And after that, let me call the mapping. Once it is done, let me again set the variable for another file. And let me here call the mapping again. Right, that's fine. Okay, so now this is the first step in the package flow. So let me confirm. Everything looks fine. Okay. Let me truncate the table. Sorry. Okay. So table is empty. That's fine. Put a commit. I just recently deleted it. Now let me run the package. Okay. So we can see these steps here. We can go to the step section and see the first step is assigning of the variable. See the code here. To employees. Okay. So now let me check the data. So I see Steven next, and I see values from 126. So go and see the files. Okay. I see the Julia Nair, Irene James. So I can see both the files got loaded. So this was the concept, how to load data from multiple files. So you see this variable here. So we need to run in a loop till we have all the files present inside a folder, and the variable will keep on changing the values. Okay, so let's build this package into a more better suited version. Okay, so we'll see that in the next video.